Hey guys, just another quick one from my phone. At the moment I'm sat out in my car just about to start work, or at least go out to work anyway. Yesterday I discovered that this switch wasn't working properly. This is the switch that I built into the car for my hands-free microphone, which is just slightly above it. I'm also noticing that the battery voltage is showing as 15.1 volts. It's a little higher than it ought to be, I think. Not ideal, but it'll drop as the alternator goes down a bit. I mean, it's okay, it's within tolerance of the FTM-400, which is where I'm seeing the voltage. It should be within tolerance of most things as well. So I'll just put the blower on, because it's getting a bit blowy in here. So I've put this onto 145/450. So I've also got here my Quan Sheng. It's got a speaker microphone on it. In fact, I can show you the speaker microphone as well, which is that speaker microphone there. That's a Baofeng speaker microphone I got off Timu. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on that radio. Okay, and we'll go to that same channel, which is 450. It'll take a while to find it, I think, because I don't know the actual number. We have 18. There we go, 145/450. Let's turn the volume up there a bit, and let's see what happens. Ooh. Mike 0, Whiskey November uniform testing. Let's turn that down a bit. There's a bit of feedback there, so it's clearly working. Mike 0, Whiskey November uniform testing. Yeah, so that's all working now. The audio's there. It's putting the radio into transmit. Yesterday, I flickered the switch. It wasn't putting the radio into transmit, but it was turning the red LED on, which is hidden behind the panel, because I actually tested that. So that's hopefully now all working. I'll just do one final check. Actually, there's a quicker way I can do this. And that is that. And let's see what happens here. Mike 0, Whiskey November uniform, checking access to GB3 IR. Yeah, that seems okay. Probably not be anyone on the repeater at this time of the morning, but you never know. No, I don't think there's anyone on the repeater. So I'm going to get myself out to work, and we'll catch you in the next one, because I've got a lot of work to do between now and the National Hamfest. I've also got a couple of other videos to make. That speaker microphone might actually feature, because there's a little button on the top of it that I didn't initially notice. All that seems to be doing on the radio it's connected to is keying up the transmitter, so I'm not sure whether it's actually just another PTT button or whether it's actually an emergency button or not, but we'll look at that later. So that's that all sorted out. It only went yesterday, so I wasn't able to film the full repair or anything. It was just a case of desoldering one of the wires, cutting it and resoldering something else of it, and putting it back in. And my first order of the day is... I wasn't expecting that to cut off when I accepted the order, but like I was saying, first order of the day has just come through. I'm off to pick that up, so I will catch you in the next one. 7-3 for now.